Alright crew, today was the first day I drove towards Alaska. I left at 9 a.m. this morning from Michigan and drove and just got over the border of Nebraska. It's currently 1 a.m. here and I'm just so soaked. Hopefully you guys can tell that I still have energy after driving all day. Today was just the first day I felt like a true digital nomad. Driving all day, stopped for 4 hours at a coffee shop, got a ton of work done, was super productive, and I got right back on the road, just stopping for like dinner and gas along the way. But besides that, just a full day of travel. I'm making good time on my way to Yellowstone, which is my first big stop. I just cannot wait to see some of the views there. I've been dreaming about that for a while, so super stoked on that. And just having all day to think in the car is awesome. Steven thinks it's torturous to drive this much, but I've just had so much mental space to think things through, think things in business, how to automate things, how to get more VAs working for us, and the systems working better, and just my own personal life too, like what I want to do, what's the vision now for me, where I even want to be as far as my location, or if that location will continue to move as it has the last 4 months. But besides that, I'm just super stoked. Sorry for the noise of the highway. I just pulled off at a rest stop to sleep for the night, and I wanted to share a fun little sequence with you guys that I've thought through to kind of show what more of the realistic side is. I showed that video a couple days ago for my friend's awesome house in Boston overlooking this super scenic view, but it's not always that way. So hopefully the sequence to follow is a little bit fun and gives you guys more of a real side as we try to share more of what's really going on in this group and be open and honest with you guys. So I'm excited about it. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think of this whole video, and hopefully there will be more to come. All right, thanks guys. Yeah, I had to wake up 3 times to shoot that sequence, but hopefully it was worth it.
Interviews by the pool, considered a fool, 'cause I dropped out of high school.
Just pulled over to a rest stop still in Nebraska. It's a pretty big state. The car is right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. Been a long day of traveling, feeling much more worn down than yesterday, just because yesterday I was all excited traveling. Today is a lot more like, okay, I just got to put in some solid hours to get to where I want to be. That vlog's not going to be super exciting today. It's mostly just to make sure the technical side of everything works and I can actually like edit it and put it up the way I want to. So sorry if this isn't the most exciting first vlog to watch, but you guys are getting to see the process. That's what we always try to do, is just show you kind of behind the curtains of what's going on. I will be back on the road today for about 7 more hours. It's like 1 p.m. now, so I should get close to Yellowstone tonight, and then I'll finish off maybe an hour or 2 tomorrow morning before I get to Yellowstone, and I'm going to take like 5 or 6 hours to explore Yellowstone. Just take time to enjoy that, take a bunch of cool pictures. I'm super excited for that. I might stay longer depending on how much I like it, but I am kind of on a mission and really do want to make it up to Alaska in good time, so I'm not going to dilly-dally too much. I think I'm going to start sharing this with family as well, family and friends, so that you guys can kind of follow along with what I'm doing. And it's also kind of a gateway into what I do. Most of you guys know that I probably work online, but that's about the extent of it, or maybe sell t-shirts and maybe that's the extent of it. So hopefully I'll share some lessons of what I'm doing and answer questions and show you guys where I'm at, and that will give you kind of, you know, where I am, what I'm doing, and also, you know, what work really looks like for me. So it's interesting finding a balance of trying to work while on the road this much. Today I'm probably going to slack off a little bit more than I did yesterday. Yesterday was super productive. Today I stopped and worked in the morning and was not so productive just because I was focused more on the vlog, which I guess is technically work now as well, but it's not like my daily task that I have to get done. So it's been an interesting day so far. I'll probably update you guys one more time as I go, but I just want to stop in the middle of the day, enjoy some sunlight for a little bit before I get back on the road towards Yellowstone. All right, check in soon. This is my first glance at the Rocky Mountains. Just came over this hill, saw this view. Absolutely breathtaking. So awesome just seeing them so far out there. Alright guys, day 2 is coming to an end. I just couldn't pass up a beautiful sunset while I'm on the road. The sun's setting over to the left behind some mountains, and then in front of me there's like 2 tiers of mountains. If I can zoom in, it just looks so incredible. This is why I love road tripping
So I'm super stoked. I'm going to do a little recap here in a bit, but I just wanted to share with you the sun setting right as I'm driving. I'm going to use the last little bit of sunlight that I have here just to kind of recap everything that happened today and what this first vlog, what the purpose was, and what you can expect in the future. So the purpose of this first one was just to push myself. I've recorded videos in public before, so it wasn't that awkward, but more so like the storytelling and how I'm going to get ideas across, like the gas station and the time-lapsing of road tripping and all that stuff, how I'm just gonna make all of that work together. If you guys didn't like this, please stick around. They will continue to get better. But just like everything we try to do, we just try to show you as much like behind the scenes as possible. So as I'm learning, I wanted to post this and just show you guys kind of my process. It's not Casey Neistat and all these other guys that I watch, but it is me starting out on this journey, learning how to vlog, learning how to share my story with you guys. Hopefully tomorrow at Yellowstone, I will get to show you some better scenes. I know it's gonna just be absolutely breathtaking there, but also learn how to incorporate some more of like the why I'm doing what I'm doing and what I'm doing what I'm doing. Just me learning, trying, getting better. So hopefully you guys will stick with me as I figure this out. And if you guys have any comments or suggestions, please let me know down below, and I look forward to tomorrow.